Now coming to what is a product mix. Product mix refers to all the products that a company offers for sale in the market, right? Combination of all the products that a company offers for sale in the market. Like your Hindustan Unilever Limited, it is dealing in soaps also, detergents, shampoos and toothpaste. So this is called the product mix, right? ITC is dealing in FMCGs, cigarettes, hotels. So that's the product mix, right, of that particular company. Now coming to the next important topic, we've discussed it before also, that is branding. Now what is branding, right? If all the products were to be sold in the market by their generic name मतलब जो purpose वो serve करते हैं, like soap is a generic name, Lifebuoy is a brand name, right? Toothpaste is a generic name, Colgate is a brand name, right? So generic name होता है जो purpose वो serve करता है product. So if all the products were to be sold by their generic name, हम तो पता ही नहीं कर पाएंगे कि कौन सा product कौन से manufacturer का है. So in order to be able to differentiate that what product belongs to which particular manufacturer, right? Each product has to be given a brand name. हम सब लोगों के भी नाम होते हैं ना, that is how that it gives an identity to us. Similarly, brand name gives an identity to the product. Right? Like I told you, we have different brands and shoes. We have Nike, we have Adidas, right? We have Reebok. Fine. So that is their brand name. उसको हम बोलते हैं brand name. Nike है brand name. उसका brand mark, it is that insignia. Tick. ये उसका brand mark है. Fine. It is something. Brand name is something which can be spoken out. Right? Brand name is that part of the brand which can be spoken. Right? But brand mark is that part of the brand which cannot be spoken but can be identified. But that can be identified. Right? Now if we put, इसको हम किससे relate करते हैं? We relate it to McDonald's. This is the brand mark. This is the brand mark. Right? Wherever you see a Ronald, that's a brand mark. Clear? Now third part, that is your trademark. वो क्या होता है? It is that part of the brand which is given legal protection so that no one else can use it. That is called as a trademark. Right? Now, what are the different purposes that branding serves? Right? What are the different advantages that branding offers? Number one, it helps in product differentiation. It is only with the help of brand names that you are able to differentiate products which are available in the market. Right? Then secondly, it helps in saving of advertisement cost when the brand becomes popular, right? It facilitates easy introduction of new product. Maggi is an established brand name. ठीक है, पहले नूडल्स आती थी, उसके बाद केचप आना शुरू हुआ, उसके बाद मैगी मसाला आना शुरू हुआ, उसके बाद सूप्स आए. So under one brand only, they have introduced so many other products, right? Such brands are called as your family brands or they are called as your umbrella brands. Under one brand, many products are launched. So it facilitates introduction of new products, makes it easy. And last but not the least, it gives quality assurance to the customers. एक बार अगर एक customer का one brand, if a brand has captured a reasonable market share, right, it has its own set of customers, then any new product that is launched under that brand is easily acceptable by the customers because a customer places a lot of faith and trust in that brand which has already been established. Right? Now, coming to the next important part of the product. Number one, the product must be branded. Secondly, packaging of the product. Okay. Now, what is a package? ठीक है, imagine अगर toothpaste market में मिलती और हमें polythenes में मिलती toothpaste, how inconvenient it would have been to use, you know. If you were getting these soaps of pink and blue color, just ऐसे ही पड़े होते, तो how unattractive, मतलब बिल्कुल किसी को कुछ वो नहीं होता देखने का, but whatever color looks the best, we would have bought that, right? So package includes a set of activities which are concerned with designing and production of appropriate wrapper, container or bag for the product, right? It is the material, मतलब immediate covering in which the product is offered to the customer for sale. Clear? Now a package, 3 levels of package are there. Number one, the primary package. Primary package is, let me take an example of a toothpaste. So the tube in which you get the toothpaste is called the primary package, right? Which is an immediate contact with the product, the basic product, that is the toothpaste, right? Then comes your secondary package. जो कार्डबोर्ड बॉक्स आता है जिसको कि हम निकाल के फेंक देते हैं, that is called the secondary package, जिसपे की सारी इंफॉर्मेशन रहती है, right? The date of manufacture, MRP, date of expiry, everything, all information is there on that cardboard box, that is the secondary package. Then transportation package, अब हर एक दुकान में अगर टूथपेस्ट जानी है तो एक दो तो जाती नहीं है, fine, they are in numbers of hundreds, fine. So then when all of them are packed in a again cardboard carton, जिस कार्टन में उनको पैक करके भेजा जाता है, that is called as a transportation package, right? Packaging plays a very very important role, right? Number one, protection. It saves the product from any kind of breakage, pilferage, right? उसको store करना easy रहता है. It is easier to store. Again, like I told you, whether I am talking about the primary package or a secondary package, if we were to get toothpaste in a poly pack, right, it would be very difficult for us to use, and it will be very difficult and cumbersome for us to store it also, right? It becomes very convenient for me to just pick up that tube and put it in the bathroom, right? Then it protects, कहीं से मतलब कुछ भी गंदा वंदा नहीं होता है, as long as it is there in that tube, right? Appropriate protection is needed from insects, weather, breakage or corrosion and thefts, etc. Coming to the next point, convenience, right? The handling of the product becomes very easy. Handling of the product becomes very easy with appropriate packing. Properly packed product occupy less space, as I just explained you, right? Properly packed products, they occupy less space and they are easy to store. Clear? Then comes economy. It is economical because many a times you get the products in packages which can be further reused. Sometimes you get these jams in these glass bottles which many of us reuse in our kitchen, right? So even if you are paying a little high price for that, you don't mind is because you are going to use that jar again. Then comes last but not the least, promotion. Packaging also helps in promotion because it says that package of a product is a silent salesman, right? It has a brand name, it has a brand mark also, right? And if it is an attractive package in nice and shocking colors, it will definitely grab the attention of anyone who passes by. It gives you complete information about who's the manufacturer, how to use the product, what are the ingredients, date of manufacture, date of expiry, MRP, everything. So it is a silent salesman. The package, the first time the customer, the prospective customer comes in touch with the product is through the package, right? You take a look at the package and then you turn it around to see the other information कि क्या क्या ingredients है इसमें, अभी कितनी मतलब for how many months can one keep it while after you've opened it, for how many months is it going to last for me, isn't it? All right. After this, coming to labeling. Now label is also a very very important part. It gives us a lot of it provides us information like the name of the product, right? The name of the manufacturer, the content tube is a package, राइट उसके ऊपर जो होता है इंफॉर्मेशन दी जाती है उसको हम बोलते हैं लेबलिंग. यू लेबल द प्रोडक्ट, राइट? यू राइट द नेम ऑफ द मैन्युफैक्चरर लिखते हैं, एमआरपी लिखते हैं, डेट ऑफ मैन्युफैक्चर, एक्सपायरी डेट, हाउ टू यूज, व्हाट आर द इंग्रेडिएंट्स, फाइन, द एड्रेस ऑफ द मैन्युफैक्चरर. दिस ऑल फॉर्म्स अ पार्ट ऑफ लेबल. क्लियर? देन उसके बाद इट हेल्प्स इन giving you product information. Secondly, it helps in grading. डिफरेंट फ्लेवर्स आते हैं, जैसे स्क्वाश है, लेमन स्क्वाश, ऑरेंज फ्लेवर है तो उसका जो लेबल है दैट विल बी ऑफ ऑरेंज कलर. इफ इट इज लेमन फ्लेवर द लेबल इज गोइंग टू बी ऑफ येलो कलर. सो द ग्रेडिंग बिकम्स easier, right? It provides information required by the law, right? That is the date of manufacture, MRP and the date of expiry of the product.